Hey y'all, we're here at Smith Farm and Garden. Can't run a tree service without chainsaws, and so this is where we come to get the best there is. I've been coming to Smith Farm and Garden for about 15 years. I bought my first chainsaw ever. This is Nick here.
Okay, good to see you.
Nick is my go-to contact here at Smith Farm and Garden. He hooks us up with everything we need. He knew we were coming, so he got all of our stuff ready for us. So we can get in and get out as quick as possible. Every year or so we stock up on a new batch of saws. This, for the first time, we are branching out into battery powered saws. So we've heard a lot of good things, and this will be our first experience running them commercially. So we're excited to see what they can do for us. So we've got here a couple of pole pruners, battery operated on both of those. I've heard really good things. We've got a couple of the large size battery powered saws, MSA 300C. Great for stuff on the ground, maybe even some up in the tree. Here is the 220 battery powered. Interested to see how these work for us. Gasoline powered. Can't ever go wrong there. A couple more of those. Got the 500. Great saw, probably my favorite. And then we've got the 661. See? This one will handle anything we need, really. And one of these here, just the 201, gasoline powered. All sorts of batteries and chargers to keep us up and running. So we got two 201s,
two 201s,
three
the
220s. Okay, is that a 36 inch?
Yes.
And then a
25 on the
okay.
661.
So we've heard a lot of good things about the battery powered stuff. It's come a long way since it first came out. One of my favorite things that I'm excited to work with is going to be the noise reduction. As soon as you let off the trigger, the saw goes quiet. There's no idling. The second issue is that you don't have to pull start the saws. So you can, as soon as you hit the trigger, it's ready to go. As soon as you let go, it's done. So there are some perks. So you have to charge the batteries, which if you have a few backup batteries, that shouldn't be that big a deal. And it's of course good to have the variety here. So we've got the gasoline powered if we decide we need that. It's always a good feeling when you stock up with some new toys. Thanks, Nick.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today. Definitely be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. So we'll be putting out content regularly, possibly weekly or so. Definitely check back in with us and see what we're up to.